What's going on, guys? This is Jake doing another lesson today on STP. The song is And So I Know from the 1996 album Tiny Music. And we're going to do basically what we did last time, which is just me playing, throwing a bass. It's just going to be the rhythm chords and the bass. And then I'll just talk about the chords. This guitar here is in standard tuning, and that's going to be EADGBE. And if anyone wants to tune up to my guitar, we'll just do a quick tune up. Here we go. Got this set to about 92 beats per minute, and let's get this started. Okay guys, so that was the playthrough. As far as chords go, not a whole lot of variation in the chords for this song. Very, very beautiful song, but nothing too complicated. So the whole verse is in E, so it's an E major, and you're gonna play, to start the verse off, you're gonna slide from the 9th fret on the A and the D string. You're gonna slide from the 9th fret to the 11th fret and then back. So the slide we talked about is, again, 9 to the 11th fret. So you're gonna do it twice. And if you can try to get a little bit of a vibrato in there, try to do that. It sounds a little better, but if not, just do the straight slide. There's your E major 9. There's your E major 9. Then you're gonna do the slide again. This time you just do it one time, and then with my index finger here, I just slide over to the 10th fret. And I'm not playing, it's just really that string. And now I'm playing, after that I'm gonna play an E minor 9. One thing I wanna note, before you go into the chorus, you're going to do your 9 to 11 slide just one time, and then you'll go into the chorus, which is an A major 7. It's a different position. I think this is a like a second position A major 7. So you play that A major 7, stay in that for like a measure or two, and then you play an A minor 9. And you can see here for this A minor 9, I am using my middle finger and my ring finger. The reason I'm doing that is so for the next chord, the D, this is a D add 4 with an A in the bass. The reason I'm doing it this way with my middle finger and my ring finger is so it's a little easier to play the next chord. All right, one thing before we go into the next part of the song, in the chorus, Dean will play at the very, very end, normally before going into another verse, he'll play this little extra couple of notes that's really just an arpeggio of the D add 4 with the A in the bass. So he plays that last chord, right? And then he'll do something like this. Like that, which is really just playing the open G string and then the 4th fret on the D string, and he'll do it twice. So all together it should sound like this. Okay, so again, that's not always, again, he'll play that every now and then throughout the verses. So now the last part of the song is the bridge, and that is just going over to a C sharp 7. So that's a C major chord with a minor 7. The next chord is an F sharp major 9 without a 5, without the 5th. So the 5th would be a C, right? So you don't play the C. Okay, then the next chord is going to be an F sharp minor 9 without a 5th. And you're going to play a B7 add 6 with no 5 as well. If anybody's starting, you know, just starting on the guitar, this last chord, the B7 add 6, this is the way I play it, this is the way I hear it. But if it's easier for somebody to play starting out, you can add the 5, which would be a B, D, F sharp. It's an F sharp. And that's how you would play that. And it actually still works with the song. But again, this is the way I hear Dean playing it. And then it goes back into the verse. So we'll play that together, starting from the chorus. So that's it for this lesson. Again, if you liked it and you'd like to see some more lessons from any band, feel free to give me a thumbs up on the channel or the video. And also reach out to me if you'd like through my comments. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Take care.